Okay, so we are in my bathroom today. I'm probably gonna cut off the sound just because my noise reduction thing is really not working. But so today's a wash day, so we'll see how this goes. It's my first time washing my hair. It's my first time back to a hair tube. I don't know. If you've noticed that my mouth is purple, I'm drinking a purple smoothie. Yeah. So let's go ahead and see what's up. So to wash my hair today, I'm going to be using two different types of shampoos because I normally do. I'm very indecisive when it comes to everything. So if I can mix it and have it work, then that's what I do, especially when it comes to my hair. So I'm going to start off with the Hydrate and Repair shampoo by Shea Moisture. Love this product line. Love this product line. And then for another shampoo, I'm going to be using the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength. Great line. Really, really great line. It definitely fortifies your hair. If you haven't tried this line, you should. I know each product is starts off at like $11 because I get mine from Target, but they're really well worth the investments. I know sometimes it's easier to spend $5 on a shampoo or whatever, and you're like, oh, it's just a shampoo. This is legit. And if you could get the conditioner, even better. So yeah, see, these are the two that I'm going to be using, and I'm probably going to have my sound off and probably do a voiceover. So in all honesty, you guys, I cannot believe I'm back to making hair videos. It's not that I just dropped the ball, but it was just like, oh my gosh, like I have to keep touching my hair. Like, what other videos can I do? But I am glad to be back, and I think I have some good ideas in store. So right now I'm just working on combing out my hair, and the reason why I do that prior to washing my hair is just because I feel like if you go in with your hair already tangled and it was blow dried and straightened essentially, and so it's a lot easier to detangle now as opposed to just waiting until the water touches it. And honestly, I don't know what's been going on with my frizzy ends. It's like I straighten my hair, blow dry my hair to the best of my abilities, and my ends still come out. So I'm mainly showing you the length of my hair and how frizzy my ends are. It is so crazy. So I'm just letting you know once again which shampoo combo that I love using, which is the Shea Moisture and the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength line. And so I remember when I started back in the natural hair community, right? It was always like, don't use a towel to dry your hair, use cotton. The towels, it was literally nitpicking every single little thing. But honestly, I love using the towel to just dry my ends to get as much water out before I end in the deep conditioner, because I just hate when water is just dripping down my face when I have a deep conditioner in. So this is my concoction for the deep conditioner. It's a bunch of different things, from the Carol's Daughter Strength conditioner, their deep conditioner, also the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey conditioner as well, Aussie conditioner, some of the dollar packs I bought from Walmart as well. And I literally have to lather this on because, once again, my hair is super duper thick. And even if I can go with like a globful on my hand, as you can see as I'm parting my hair, there is still a ton of my hair that doesn't have conditioner. So I have to use so much conditioner, especially when my hair is out. But mainly, most of the time, I do my hair when my hair is... I mainly wash my hair when it's in a protective style, so I'm not worried about it being out and being too tangled and stuff like that. And so parting my hair while I'm adding the deep conditioner is just so much better. And even washing it as well, I wash my hair in sections. And when I started my natural hair journey, I definitely did not do that, and that was such a huge issue, because all my hair would just get knotted together. And now that it's longer, it doesn't necessarily tangle at the roots. It's mainly tangles at the end, which just kind of moves up the hair shaft. Excuse me, which mainly moves up the hair shaft. And so, yeah, so listen, combing detangling everything in my hair is the best thing. And once I'm done with each section, I'm just going to twist it up just so I can put it in a style where the conditioner can kind of, work its magic, hopefully. And yeah, so I am a trash bag kind of girl. I hate shower caps. I hate the way they feel around the perimeter of my head. So I will forever use trash bags, right? And so I'll leave the conditioner in my hair for about I don't know, maybe 2 to 3 hours. Matter of fact, if you remember this, get in the comment section. Let me know if you use trash bags or shower caps, right? And so once I'm done, I'll wash my hair, and once again, I use a little towel thing that I got from Walmart. I absolutely love it. It gets out a lot of the water. And this is kind of like the end result to, deep conditioning my hair for so long, taking care of it. I do not blow dry or straighten my hair. Oh, excuse me. I do not blow dry or straighten my hair often. And so I think that's what helps it maintain its health. So, and ladies, never forget, this is a natural hair journey and not a sprint. And that's it.